just want to make a quick video and let you guys know that there is still time to get rich with Bitcoin. There's still time to create generational wealth for your kids, your grandkids with this asset. It's sitting at $1 trillion market cap, so essentially all the risk is gone, right? All the crazy, insane gains where people put in $100 of Bitcoin and now have $1 million, those returns are more prolonged now. It's not going to be prolific where you're going to have that within a year's time because the risk is gone, right? And so some of that upside, the volatility, gets dampered. It goes down as time goes. And so all the major risk is gone where it's at $1 trillion market cap to where if there was any risk or threat to Bitcoin, it would have happened. So the fact that it's still going, the Bitcoin network is stronger than ever, is a testament that nothing's going to change it. Like Michael Saylor, look him up if you don't know him. He's amazing. Founder and chairman of a company called Strategy, ticker symbol MSTR, amazing company. He said if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, it's going to 1 million. And if it goes to 1 million, Bitcoin's going to 10 million a coin. Right? And remember, Bitcoin is 21 million units, basically Bitcoin, ever. It's finite. That's it. That's all there will ever be. Nothing changes it. Nada. So this video is basically just making a bullish case. Like, guys, we are so early to Bitcoin. You can still make life-changing money. Just put $10 in every paycheck, as much as you can. Tax returns. I mean, tax seasons are here. Once you get your tax return, put some of that towards Bitcoin, dude. And I mean, like I say in all my videos, not financial advice, financial entertainment, but do your own research. But guys, if you want to better your situation, learn about Bitcoin, what it is. Like, this is the most divisible, entry-level asset or investment that anybody can have. Real estate, good return. Like, I love real estate. I wish I had deep pockets. I wish that I could get into real estate, investment properties. I can't. It's not feasible for me. I don't have enough margin within my income and my bills that I can't. I don't have I don't have the money. I can't qualify for certain. Like, I can't qualify enough for a loan and everything like that. So real estate's hard to get into. I mean, gold is king. Has been the freaking bottom layer of economies and monetary systems for hundreds, if not thousands of years. I mean, you're seeing the run-up of gold this last year because everyone's running back to gold because that's the safe haven. But Bitcoin is going across border. You can't take gold on an airplane to go to a different country. Like, you can't transport your wealth across borders like Bitcoin. Bitcoin you put on a freaking thumb drive with a seed phrase, and you have all your wealth stored onto that thing. No one can take it from you. Not even the hardware. You put it in that seed phrase, you can access it anywhere where you have internet access. It's just, Bitcoin is literally the end-all be-all of monetary and financial systems. I mean, there's billions of dollars of venture capital. There's trillions going into this. Like, the fact that we have world leaders, states even basically putting on the ballots to create Bitcoin reserves. Like, this is so big, and yet this isn't mainstream yet. This is like the internet in the 90s. Like, there's so much growth and wealth to be made off this Bitcoin protocol, and the fact that you can still buy base layer Bitcoin in self-custody is crazy. And it'd be crazy not to take an opportunity just to get a little tiny bit. You don't need a full Bitcoin. You can get a 0.0003 or 1, whatever you want to get of the Bitcoin. And it's just like, that would be life-changing in 20 years. And like I said, 20 years. That's the time horizon. Like I said, the risk is gone to the fact that all the crazy gains through and through are like, you're not going to see 5,000% in a year like you did before. But annualized, Bitcoin has a CAGR of over 100%. And Michael Saylor's projection, this is a founder and and chairman of a multi-billion-dollar corporation. His projection for the next 21 years is Bitcoin reaches $21 million a coin. It's like from here, that's 100 and something X. Well, I think 65,000. I think that number I did was like when it was 100 and 110, 120. So 65,000, you do the math. 65,000, let's say you buy 0.11 or something, you buy $100. Goes up to, I'm using the phone to record the video, so I can't do the math for you. But if Bitcoin's 21 million a coin and you buy 10% of a coin, that's 2.1 million. And 1% of a coin now is not 10% is $6,500. So for $6,500 investment today now would equal 2.1 million in 20 years. That's insane. That's not perpetual. That's like a one-time installment of 60. Like, I don't have $6,500. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying like you put $50 every pay period, and boom, you got it. Or not, you don't got $6,500. A little bit does a lot. That's what I'm trying to get here. That we're so early to Bitcoin that there's so much upside and wealth to be made that you can get rich still on Bitcoin. You just got to buy some now. 2026, like I'm telling you, the gold rush for Bitcoin is the next 10 years. Right? So the way Bitcoin works is basically for maintaining the network as individual like computers and nodes and software developers, they get rewarded with more Bitcoin. Basically, the supply of Bitcoin a little bit gets released through computing power to keep the network running. And every 4 years, that the rewards are basically the amount of Bitcoin going out gets dropped in half. And so in 2036, I think, is when there's going to be 99% of the Bitcoin are going to be mined, and there's going to be 1% left. Well, the last 1% is basically going to be locked up, and basically over the next 100 years, it's going to be released. So it's going to take 100 years to get the rest of the Bitcoin mined. And it's like, so you're going to have a supply shock. The demand and the supply coming in is not going to work. So you're going to have a supply shock that's going to basically explode the price, and you want to buy it before that price explodes. So I'm telling you, Bitcoin is down $65,000 right now. This is a fire sale. I mean, from all-time highs, this Bitcoin is 50% off. 50% off. Any other stock, anything, like, it's funny how anything in finance, if something's 50% off, we sell. We get out, we're like, nope, don't want to be in it. But if anything else, like a product we want online, or Walmart has a sell for duvet covers for 50% off, we go and buy it. Black Friday sales, 50% off. We go and buy too. But as far as stocks or or assets, everything, things go down 50%, we panic sell. It's just interesting to me. But I appreciate you watching the video. This was just me rambling. Let me know in the comments if you like this content, or if you want more strategic, thought out planning videos. I can do that too. I kind of like this shoot from the hip type deal, non-scripted, just giving you my thoughts. If you like this video, please like. If you want to watch more, subscribe. See you later. Deuces.